Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your TD Bank card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new TD Bank card along with any documents that came with it. Make sure you have your card, social security number, and personal information ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official TD Bank activation website at td.com/activate or log into your TD Bank online banking account. Navigate to the Activate Card section to enter your card number and any other requested information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the number listed on the sticker attached to your card or on the back of the card. Follow the automated instructions and provide your card details along with any required personal information. You may also be prompted to create a PIN if your card supports it. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation online or during your phone call. Your TD Bank card is now ready to use for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.